Galaxy A16 could be the first low-end device to have 6 years of updates. Samsung is taking this very seriously about offering its users excellent software support, and I think that may be one of the main attractions for this series of devices, as it will apparently be a 4G model and a 5G model, and in both cases they will have this tremendous support for updates. You have to put this news in context because consider that other manufacturers promise 3 years of updates to some high-end devices, while Samsung is promising 6 years of updates to this low-end device. So it is very noteworthy and very positive that we are seeing these kinds of features. Let's just hope it has enough RAM for it to run smoothly. The full list of specs of these two devices was leaked before they were unveiled, so let me tell you some details, although remember that leak is not presentation. The Galaxy A16 in its 4G model will have the Helium G99 processor, while the 5G model will come with two versions, one with Exynos 1330 and another with Dimensity without 1300 plus. We will have to wait to find out which processor arrives in different regions because again Samsung is taking this strategy. In both cases we will see AMOLED screens with full HD plus resolution and 90 Hz in its refresh rate, 50 megapixel main camera, 5 megapixel ultra wide and 2 megapixel macro. For selfies, we will find 13 megapixels, but unfortunately with 4 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage, and this is the main problem of Samsung, that even though it manages to put remarkably powerful processors, if the RAM is not high enough, the device ends up feeling very slow because the operating system of Samsung occupies too much space in RAM and definitely causes that when you have 3 or 4 applications open, the device starts to feel very stumbling. Hopefully there will be more versions of this device because usually Samsung releases versions of 4, 6 or even 8 gigabytes of RAM, but usually to Mexico and many other countries comes the most basic version.